guys, and I'm here today how to set a ringtone on your phone, like when somebody calls you. Okay, let's get started. First off, you want to download the app called SES File Explorer. Let me show you. Yep, there it is. So, first off, you want to do is find your own ringtone on YouTube. Do this like ring ding ding me, this is my ringtone. Share, copy link. Then you wanna go to Google and then type in MP3 YouTube. There we go. Then go to YouTube to MP3 converter and paste. There we go. If you download it, you need to go to my files. My files, that's right. And then you download it, you have the song here. And then when you have it, you wanna go to audio. Wanna go to you wanna do this, like hold your song that you want. Click more, copy, and then click device storage and go to ringtones and create your own folder. I just name my I don't know and click on it and then you press done. There you go. That's it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Try it out, it's good and it worked. I tested it out and goodbye. Subscribe and like.